everyone, welcome back. Have you ever wondered how games roll a dice, websites pick lucky winners, or apps generate random values? In Python, all of this is possible using the random module. In this video, we'll learn five important concepts: import, from import, random, randint, randrange, and choice. Let's get started. Import is a keyword used to include a module in our program. A module is a file that contains ready-made functions. Here we are importing the random module so we can use its functions. Instead of importing the entire module, we can import only the function we need. Now we can directly use randint without writing random before it. For example, let's run this. 8, run this again. 3. Random generates a random decimal number. It always returns a value greater than or equal to 0 and less than 1. Let's run this. Let's run this again. See, every time it is giving us a random decimal number. Random returns a floating point number which is greater than 0 and less than 1. It never returns 1. To use random function, we have to write random dot before the function. Rand in start comma end generates a random integer. Both the starting value and ending value are included. Let's run this. The next function is randrange. Randrange is similar to randint. The difference is that the ending value is not included in randrange. So Python can generate numbers from 1 to 9 but never 10. Let's run this. The third argument is the step size. Now Python choose only from 10, 20, 30, 40 or 50. Let's run this. 30 is the output. Now 50, 30 again, 20, 20, 50, 10, 30, 20. Next function is choice. Choice selects one item from a sequence, such as a list. Let's create one. Let's run the code. Let's create a mini application, Lucky Prize Generator, using these functions. Here we used three different random functions together. Randint generated a 6-digit coupon code. Randrange generated a discount of 5%, 10%, 15%, 20%, or 25% because the step size is 5. Choice selected one lucky prize from this list prizes. Let's run the code. Congratulations, Rahul. Coupon code 654273. Discount is 10%. Lucky prize is movie ticket. Let's run the code again. Amit, coupon code is 243277, which is a 6-digit number. 25%. Lucky prize is smartwatch. So let's quickly revise. Import imports an entire module. From import imports only specific functions. Random generates a decimal number between 0 and 1, but never 1. Randint generates a random integer, including both limits. Randrange generates numbers from a range and excludes the ending value. Choice selects one random item from a sequence. I hope you now have a clear understanding of Python's random module. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.